Hi guys, welcome to the channel, welcome to a new video. Today I'll be sharing with you a video of a BMW performance body kit being installed onto the BMW F36 Grand Coupe. So before the installation I'll talk you through the kit and also show you the quality of the parts. 4 series body kit, performance body kit, front splitter, diffuser, kidney grills and side blades. Now these parts will fit the Grand Coupe, the convertible and the Coupe. M Sport bumpers. And the boot spoiler, that one there, is for the Grand Coupe and it will only fit the Grand Coupe. So the Coupe and the convertible have different fittings. All three models have different boot spoiler fittings. Right, front splitter. I'll show you the quality of this. This is a one-piece one. What I mean by one piece is that and that are stuck together, attached together. If I show you the back of it, what many people don't show you is the thickness of the blade. You get some which are only a couple of centimeters thin, and they tend to fall off at high speed or even break off at car washes. Comes with the fixing kit. Right, diffuser. This one is for the double exhaust. Again, nice thick material. They come with the metal meshes. These basically the clip in there, and as you will see in the video when this is being installed, how easy this is to fit. Here it goes. Gloss black double slot performance look. Side blades. These are specifically made for the 4 series, so there's no cutting or shaping them. The straight fit, the marked left and right. They'll come with a fixing kit, and basically they have this lip here, so it sits underneath the sill and it can come out so far, so you get that clean finish. Comes with the decals, stickers. Right, this boot spoiler is like I said before, it's made for the Grand Coupe only. Let's show you. So nicely made again. Okay, so let's go onto the video where it's fitting the body kit. guys, if you're interested in purchasing any of the parts or just want some information on any of them, I will leave a link below, and please like and subscribe, and see you next time. Thank you for watching.